Listening practice. Exercise 1. Listen to track 8 about the long present and repeat the reading out loud. I am studying English now. You are learning at the moment. He is reading tests with classmates. She is listening to audios in English right now. They are going to the English class currently. We are practicing the English language online nowadays. The English class is helping me to improve now. I am doing homework because I am taking a course. I am not cutting hair at the moment. You are not cooking sushi with friends right now. He isn't texting during class. She isn't singing pop songs because she is traveling nowadays. They aren't going to the park at night. We aren't writing in Spanish currently downtown. The computer isn't working now.